Tired of complicated and expensive international money transfers? In this video, we'll show you how to use Worldremit to send money to your loved ones abroad quickly, securely, and with low fees. Let's get started. First, head over to the Worldremit website or download the mobile app and click on the sign up button. You'll need to provide your email address, create a strong password, and select your country of residence. Once you've created an account, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Before you can send money, you may need to verify your identity with a governmental ID, like a passport or driver's license. This is a standard security measure. Now, click on the Send to button, select the country you want to send money to, then choose the receiving method: bank transfer, mobile money, cash pickup, or airtime top-up. Keep in mind that options vary based on the receiving country. Next, you'll need to enter your recipient's details, such as their full name, address, and bank account information. If applicable, double-check everything to avoid delays. Enter the amount you want to send. Worldremit will show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees up front, so there are no surprises. Choose your payment method: debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely complete your payment. Review all the details carefully one last time. Once you're sure everything is correct, confirm your transaction. Worldremit will send you and your recipient confirmation emails with the transaction details and tracking information. You can also track the progress of your transfer in your account. And that's it. You've successfully sent money to your loved ones using Worldremit. Now you can support them with confidence, knowing your transfer is safe and efficient. #money transfer, #Worldremit.